Take a ride in the 2019 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.